Have you ever stopped to notice the little coincidences happening around you? As if the universe is whispering secrets in the silence? Imagine a moment when, looking up at the sky, a cloud shapes itself into a familiar form. Something inside you stirs, and a question echoes in your mind: what does this mean? That's the first sign. An invitation to dive deeper into your own essence. Angels are always around you, waiting to manifest in your life. They communicate through symbols, numbers, or even in the presence of people who cross your path. When you feel a shiver down your spine or a spark in someone's eyes, it's the divine touch inviting you to realize that you are never alone. Every sign is a message, a confirmation that there is something deeper at play. You may not understand it now, but these moments are like little keys that open doors to new realities. However, what happens when these revelations become confusing? When doubt and fear start to overshadow the light that the angels are trying to bring. You might find yourself trapped in a maze of insecurities, asking, what if I'm not worthy of this love? What if I miss this opportunity? This internal battle can be devastating. The fear of opening up, of exposing yourself, can be paralyzing. It's as if a shadow settles in your heart, whispering that what you desire is out of reach. But what if I told you that this doubt is just an illusion? The truth is that the angels are showing you something extraordinary. What if, in reality, they are not just trying to say that someone special is by your side, but that this person has always been present in your life, waiting for the right moment to shine? This is the revelation that can change everything. Love is a transformative power. It doesn't wait. It demands courage. And you have that strength within you. Now, it's time to take action. Life is not a straight line. It's a tangled web of choices and opportunities. Look within yourself. What decisions have you been avoiding? What words have you hesitated to say? What are you willing to risk to avoid spending your life wondering what if? The angels are by your side, ready to guide you. But the final choice is yours. Will you embrace this chance for transformation, or will you allow fear to keep you on the sidelines of your own happiness? The decision is in your hands. Have you ever stopped to notice the little signs around you? Sometimes, a soft feather floats through the air, or a beam of light breaks through a dark cloud, and in that moment, something inside you stirs. It's as if the universe is whispering, "Pay attention." These moments are messages from the angels, fragments of wisdom that transcend the ordinary. They come to us in subtle yet powerful ways, unveiling hidden truths that can change our lives. The angels communicate through synchronicities, repeated numbers, vivid dreams, and even the intuition that surfaces in moments of silence. Have you ever noticed how certain songs seem to speak directly to your heart in times of crisis? Or how a random conversation can touch on your exact pain? These experiences are signs that the angels are here, guiding you, reminding you that you are not alone on this journey. They reveal what is hidden beneath the surface, illuminating your fears and hopes. However, even with these signs, it's common to feel lost. Doubt can be a heavy shadow, clouding your vision. You might ask yourself, am I headed in the right direction? Or what if I fail again? These fears can become barriers, hindering you from hearing the gentle voice of the angels. They want you to know that even in the fiercest storms, there is a lighted path ahead of you. But it takes courage to face them. What if I told you that this doubt could be the key to transformation? It's in this space of uncertainty that angels reveal themselves clearly. When you allow yourself to feel fear, instead of running away from it, you begin to realize that it is merely a reflection of your insecurities. The angels are here to ensure that you not only see the signs but also understand them. They want you to recognize that behind every fear lies an opportunity for growth and change. Now, the choice is yours. What will you do with this revelation? Love, fulfillment, change do not wait. The angels cannot do the work for you, but they are ready to support every step you choose to take. So, ask yourself, will you act now, allowing divine signs to guide your steps? Or will you let doubt continue to write your story? Life is a sacred gift, and every moment is a new chance to align with what truly matters. It's time to listen, feel, and act. The universe is awaiting your response. Have you ever stopped to reflect on the fragility of a moment? The way a glance, a touch, or even a word can change your entire perception. Imagine yourself on a cloudy day, where heavy clouds obscure the sun. You feel the weight of doubt hanging in the air, as if something is holding you back, preventing you from moving forward. A question echoes in your mind: what if I'm doing everything wrong? The messages from the angels manifest around us in subtle ways, almost like whispers in the wind. They are always present, ready to illuminate our path, but often we fail to hear their guidance. What happens when insecurity takes hold? When fear distorts the view of what truly matters? Love, connection, opportunities. All of this can seem distant, almost like an unattainable dream. Insecurity is a shadow that follows us around, making us question everything. It feels like walking on a slippery path, where every step is uncertain. The fear of making mistakes, of being rejected, of not being enough becomes an invisible prison. You may find yourself asking, what if I'm not loved? What if my efforts are in vain? These questions can turn into a maze of doubts that hinder your growth. But what if I told you that what you're feeling is a call, an invitation to discover the truth that lies beyond fear? The revelation is powerful. Your angels are here, not just to watch over you, but to guide you. They want you to know that insecurity is an illusion, a way to distract you from what truly matters. What if the love you seek is closer than you think? What if, upon looking within, you realize that the biggest block is in your own mind? Now, I invite you to embrace this truth. Love does not wait. The time to act is now. Are you ready to break the chains of insecurity and embrace what truly matters? The choice is yours. Will you allow yourself to live fully, free yourself from fear, and take that bold step toward what you desire? Life is brief, and doubt can either be a prison or a catalyst. Which will you choose? The answer lies within you. Awaken the courage that resides in your heart and let the light of the angels illuminate your path. Transformation begins with a decision. What will yours be? Have you ever looked into someone's eyes and felt there was more than just the surface? A deep connection, as if your souls had danced together in another life. That sensation, that inexplicable spark, could be a sign from the angels, a message whispered in the silence of your heart. Spiritual signs are all around us, often camouflaged in the little things of everyday life. A bird landing beside you, a song playing on the radio just when you need it, or even a dream so vivid that you wake up with your heart racing. These moments are not mere coincidences. They are divine invitations, reminders that you are not alone, that there is a greater love guiding your steps and illuminating your path. But what do you do when doubt creeps in? When the fear of opening yourself up to love and vulnerability arises, like a shadow that refuses to fade away? You might be asking yourself, what if I get hurt? What if this connection isn't real? These questions can be paralyzing. It's easy to lose yourself in a sea of insecurities, letting uncertainties overshadow the light that shines within you. Now imagine this. What if the truth you seek is not just in the other person, but within you? What if the angels are trying to show you that true transformation begins with self-acceptance? They are not just here to guide your romantic journey, but also to remind you that you are worthy of love. And when you recognize that, magic happens. The connection you feel is not just an echo of the past. It's an opportunity to open yourself up to a vibrant future. The revelation is powerful. What you seek, what you fear, it's all interconnected. The real turning point occurs when you decide to take action. Embrace your vulnerability. Allow yourself to feel. Love is not a weakness, it is your greatest strength. And now, more than ever, it's time to take the first step. So, ask yourself, will you let fear keep you a prisoner, or will you free yourself and explore the depth of this connection? Love doesn't wait. The big question is, will you act now or spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The choice is yours. Have you ever found yourself observing an everyday scene and suddenly felt a chill run down your spine? A glance that crossed yours, a subtle gesture that seemed to hold a hidden meaning. Life is full of moments that, at first glance, may seem insignificant, but when viewed through the lens of reflection, reveal themselves as essential pieces of a much larger puzzle. What if I told you that these moments are not just coincidences, but rather signs sent by the universe, by the angels surrounding us? The angels, in their infinite wisdom, communicate with us in subtle yet powerful ways. They can send a meaningful look between two people, a gesture of kindness in a moment of sadness, or even the memory of a hug that made your heart sing. These signs, often ignored or underestimated, are invitations for us to open our eyes and hearts to the true essence of life. They ask us to pause, reflect, and recognize the depth of the connections we forge. However, what happens when we let ourselves be swept away by the routine? When fears and doubts settle in our minds? You might be wondering if you deserve to be loved, if your decisions are right, or if time is passing by too quickly. Doubt whispers in our ears like a persistent echo, causing us to hesitate in valuing what truly matters. And what if I told you that behind every lost glance, there's an opportunity waiting to be embraced? Imagine the revelation. Those moments you brushed off were not just coincidences. They were, in fact, signs that you are exactly where you should be, surrounded by people who recognize your worth. What if you could see those glances, those gestures, not as mere happenstances, but as the universe conspiring in your favor? There is a deeper connection, a synchronicity that transcends logic. What if you could be the architect of your own transformation, realizing that each glance, each gesture, is a step toward what you truly desire? Now I look at you and ask, what will you do with this new perspective? Love doesn't wait, and the signs are there, waiting for your attention. Are you ready to take action? To acknowledge these moments and turn them into opportunities for growth and connection? The big question is, will you allow these revelations to guide your decisions, or will you continue moving through life without seeing the beauty that lies before you? It's time to look inward, to value every glance, every gesture. The universe is speaking to you. Now, listen. Have you ever stopped to think about the synchronicity of things? The way the universe places people in our paths, as if each encounter is a piece of a divine puzzle. Now, imagine that one of those pieces is you. And for a moment, everything you know could change. What would you do if you realized that your life, as you know it, is about to be transformed? The signs from angels are always around you, like a gentle whisper echoing in the depths of your soul. A repeated number, a song playing at a crucial moment, or even an inexplicable feeling of peace amid chaos. These are the delicate touches of the divine, trying to guide you toward your truth. Have you ever felt it? That flutter in your stomach, like a clear message that something greater is unfolding? But what happens when doubt sets in? When fears become shadows that obscure your vision? You might be facing a moment of uncertainty, struggling with the idea that you deserve to be happy. What occurs when you feel trapped, as if you're in a maze with no way out? The voice of your intuition becomes a distant echo, and you find yourself wondering, what if I can't do it? What if I fail? But what if I told you that, in this moment of conflict, a powerful revelation awaits you? What if the angels are showing you that this struggle is not a sign of weakness, but an opportunity for growth? The truth is, you are closer to a new perspective than you realize. What hides behind that wall of fear is a new path, filled with light and possibilities. You just need to take a step toward it. Now, the decision is yours. Are you willing to look within and confront your fears? Change doesn't happen when we're comfortable. It requires courage, a leap of faith that can transform your life forever. Love, fulfillment, happiness, all of it is waiting for you. But the big question is, will you act now, or will you spend another day wondering what could have been? The choice is in your hands. Awaken to the truth and allow your life to be guided by a new light. Have you ever found yourself in a moment where everything seemed to be at a standstill? Life, like a blank canvas, cried out for vibrant colors, while you found yourself stuck in a palette of grays. The clouds of doubt obscure the light of your heart, and one question echoes in your mind: what do I really want? It is in this space of uncertainty that the angels whisper, trying to guide you to the path of happiness and connection. The signs you receive are not just coincidences or fleeting thoughts. They are divine messages, subtle yet powerful. An unexpected smile from a stranger, a song that plays at just the right time, or even that persistent thought about someone that makes your heart race. Each of these moments is a light shining on your path, a confirmation that you are not alone. The angels are with you, waiting for you to realize that transformation begins with a choice. But what holds you back? Fears, insecurities, the feeling that you are unworthy of happiness? These blocks may seem like insurmountable mountains, shadows that loom over your desire to truly connect with others and yourself. You may feel that too much time has passed, that opportunities are gone, or that you may never find the right path. Anxiety sets in, and hope feels like a distant flame. Now, imagine a moment of clarity. What if I told you that true transformation isn't about waiting for things to change, but about recognizing that you have the power to take the first step? The answer you seek is not outside, but within you. The angels are not waiting for you to find perfection. They are ready to embrace your imperfections. What if happiness was not a destination, but a journey of courageous choices? Love and connection are at your doorstep, but it's up to you to open the door. The choice is yours. You can continue asking what if, or you can decide to take action. The first step can be as simple as sending a message, making a call, or opening your heart to someone you love. What will you do with this moment? Remember, life is short, and time doesn't wait. Are you ready to break free from the chains of doubt and take the first step toward happiness? The transformation starts now.